welcome back. Today I am continuing with my Amazon wig haul, and the wig I have today is by a company called Lucyhairwig. I don't have a wig by them, and the name of this wig, it doesn't have a name. It just says about the fibers. It just says Lucyhairwig long wave synthetic fibrous hair wig for women. That's all it says on the outside. And let's open it up. I peeked in here, but that's pretty much about it. And it is a purple, as you can see. It's a lavender wig. And let's see what they give you in the bag. Looks like they give you some type of stocking cap, and it is the one that has the net in it. So they do give you that. And let's open up the wig. Okay. It's a lot of hair. I'll say that. Seems like it's a lot of hair. Okay. That's the color. The color's pretty vibrant. Actually, it's a pretty vibrant color. Hope you can see how vibrant it is. Let's look at the cap construction. Okay, it's the same as this one. It's the same as the Christmas wig. And if you're interested in this wig, I will make sure that I leave the information to this review below. But it has two combs on the sides here. And then it has a comb in the middle section behind the parting area. Okay, there's no comb in the back. Adjustable straps though. And then the parting space, I'm not sure if it's less or more. It looks like it's less. Maybe the parting space is 3 inches. I don't know. I'd have to look up. By the time I post this, I'm sure I'll have it. That's the parting space in the middle. And then that's the parting space on the sides. It goes from here to here. So maybe about 1 inch. Like I said, it's pretty full. And the color's really a vibrant color. So, no dark roots. The purple color in here, it's like 2 different purples. It's like a, see if you can see it. It's almost like a dark purple and then a light purple. It's a couple different purples in here, at least 2. And then it's almost like a grayish, or I don't know. Okay, so you have all this room up here until you get to a track, and they give you a lot of hair. Now I don't know how long this is supposed to be, but it's about as long as this one. So let me get this one off and put this one on, and then we'll take a look at the hairline. I will say that the hairline on this one looks better to me. Now, I don't know if that's because it doesn't have the dark root and it's easier to see through, but the hairline on here looks a little bit better. So let me get this off and then get this one on, and let's get into this review. Okay, this is the unit straightened. I have straightened out, and I took all the curls out of the unit, and I just straightened it out really good. And it's really pretty. And then I took, and I only put a few baby hairs in the front, and I went ahead and curled those with a curling iron so that they'd be easier to lay down. I have not cut off the lace yet. I'm going to put it on and then try to cut it off that way. So when I come back, I'll have it on. see the final look for this today. What I ended up doing was taking the curl out of the bottom of the unit. The last one that I did was by Christima, and that one had a curl in it. This one here is by Lucyhairwig, and as I mentioned before, I saw both of these. I got both of these off of Amazon. It was really vibrant purple when I saw it online, so I kind of wanted to see what it would look like. I will say that I like this particular one straight. Now, it doesn't come with dark root, as you can see. There are no dark roots in this one. I did do a little bit of baby hairs, but I literally only did like a few, like very, very light baby hairs in the front of this, or edges in the front of this unit. The hair texture on it is pretty much like the other one. It's a silky, it's thick silky. Like, it's not coarse, it's really thick, and I guess kind of like a silky texture. What I did was in this one, and I didn't do it in the last one, but I sprayed it with water and then I straightened it. And anytime I straighten synthetic units, I always spray it with water, you know, before I put the curling iron or put the flat iron on it. And so that way it uses the steam to straighten it. And I think that that did very well, because I didn't have to go but just one pass. I literally barely touched it. I just put the flat iron on like this much, and then I let the steam from the water and the heat from the flat iron straighten the hair. And I just straightened it really straight, and I didn't put a bend in it or anything. I just totally straightened it. And I feel like if I was to wear this unit, that's probably how I wear it. I would just wear it totally like a straight unit. The hairline on it wasn't bad. I liked the hairline on this one, I think, a little bit better than I did the hairline on the other one. Both of them, I'm not sure if I mentioned in the other one, I did tint the lace. I tinted the lace with this Sally Hansen airbrush. I tinted it with that. All I did was take a little bit, spray it on my brush, and I just kind of went over the lace to kind of as you can see, so it can blend in. And that's why I did get a little bit of running here, because I didn't wait for it to dry. So wait for it to dry. And then as far as the cap construction, it was easy. I think I may have mentioned that the cap construction, it was big hair friendly. It's exactly like the last cap. It fit over my braids easily. This here, I also went in, as you saw, with the I went in with the I got to be glued freezing spray. I went in with that, and then I went into the roots with the blow dryer to give it a lifted effect. And I think that came out pretty good. All in all, I do like the unit. I think this unit is really, really nice. It's funny because when I ordered, when I got these units, I think I have like 5 of them. And they're from 3 were from Christima, 1 is from Lucy's, and 1 is from another company. But when I first got the unit, I didn't like it. I don't know. When I saw it, I was like, ooh, it's thick. I was like, I don't really like that unit. And I think what it was is that I didn't like it. I didn't like it curled. And so when I went through and I straightened it, I think it gave it a better look for me. I don't know, you guys tell me what you think about it, but I think it gave me a better look with it being straightened versus just the curl. And I think the reason I like the other one curled is because it had the ombre root. So as it came up, you saw it was dark, and then it came into the color. So I liked that a little bit better. This one here, I kind of treated it like I did the platinum blonde, where I just kind of straightened it. Now, the platinum blonde that was in the Christima, that one was real thick. So I didn't do the tips like I did this one because I was rushing with that one. But I may go back and straighten the tips of the blonde one like this, so that it doesn't feel so heavy. So because that was the thing, when I took this one out of the package, it felt really, really heavy. And I think it was just because it had the curls and it was just weighing it down. So all in all, I think it's a good unit. I think this unit might have been $40. I'm not sure if it was more, but it was around the $40 range. I think for what you get, what you pay for, I think it's worth it. I think the unit will last. This is some summer hair, I think. Spring summer hair. It's really, really pretty. It's really vibrant. The color is absolutely gorgeous. So if you ladies have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I will leave all the information on where you can get this unit. I will leave all that in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching the video today. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you choose to share this video, if it's on Instagram or Facebook, please tag me in it. My name would be Beauty by Mark. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Yellow diamonds in the light, and we're standing side by side as your shadow crosses